Okay, welcome everybody to a new motovlog, my second motovlog to be exact. A lot of you enjoyed my previous motovlog and I'm very happy with that. So if you like this one, please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't. The notification bell is a plus, you know, if you would do that, that would be amazing. But this motovlog, I'll be talking about when I went to off-road in a place called Veluwezoom. It's in the Netherlands. So basically, it's a really nice forest. So the forest was too far for me with my bike. So we went there with a van and my bike in the back. And so we went there. We took out the bike, as you can see on the footage, and then we were ready to go, basically. It was fully charged, just for that day. So anyways, we started driving to find good spots to shoot videos at. And first we ended up on a very slippery path, which was full of leaves, and it was basically like impossible to not drift right there, you know. But we got an amazing shot from that. We tried a lot of times actually because it was so slippery. I kept sliding and didn't look good on video. So after that shot, I went back up to get my friend Steven, who drove the van and helped me filming this whole thing. So thank you, Steven. So yeah, anyways, we made some shots of the bike, even though it was very dirty, so just don't mind the dirt, okay? I was off-roading, alright? I cleaned it afterwards, of course. But yeah, after we made some shots right there... Sorry, I was not paying attention. I was paying attention to my text. But anyways, after that we went on a long way to the next spot. And on the way, we stumbled upon some people who were very enthusiastic about the bike because it was so quiet. And I had a little chat with them, told them about everything you should know on where to get one of these electric bikes and like the pros and cons and stuff, you know. Very nice people. Later on the same path, we almost fell because it was very muddy. And we weren't going that fast, and of course mud is very slippery, so yeah, but that's alright, you know, everybody will drop their bike eventually. I would rather not, but I almost did on that point, but I catched it with my foot, so we're good, you know. So after I almost fell, I was like, alright, so let's get on this asphalt track back to the spot we already knew from previous time, which was the bridge. And I spotted myself a Tesla Model 3, ladies and gentlemen, which is a very lovely car. I'm sorry, I know I'm in the middle of a story, but you know, electric buddies, it's very nice, very nice. They go a little faster. Well, we filmed some cool shots from above of me driving past the camera a few times. And after that, we made some cool shots from close up of the display and stuff of the bike. Those are very nice shots actually. Previous time we filmed with an actual camera. This time it was filmed with just my phone. So if it looks less good, then yeah, that's the reason why, you know, autofocus and stuff, it's really hard to deal with just an app and a gimbal, which we did use this time. We did use a gimbal though. After those shots, it was getting dark, but I wanted to record one more shot because where the van actually was were some really cool trails up on some mountains, so we just took the one that was closest to the van. It actually was a path for just pedestrians. There was like nobody around and people didn't mind it except one couple. So we took that path and that was kind of the end of our adventure. Bruh. Look at this. Isn't this nice? This is really close to where I live. The Netherlands, by the way. I mean, it's pretty nice. Not the best weather right now. Alright, now I'm gonna head home. Let's see if we see something interesting, maybe. The spot where there's a big building right now. This was my school, by the way. But that spot was where a abandoned school building was. And I did make a video with a GoPro inside it before someone actually burned it down. Hey, Red Bull car, what the fuck? You don't see that every day. Also, someone commented on the previous Motovlog to tell me I should mount my GoPro another way because it fell off in the first one. If you haven't seen that, it actually fell off twice because I had the suction cup mount on my helmet, but my helmet is matte black, so that doesn't really work. And now I have a mount on my helmet all the time. It is like glued on there, kinda, with like one of those sticky strips. But yeah, so now I just have to clip in my GoPro mount parts, and then it's basically the GoPro mount. It's fixed on there. So thanks for the tip, I appreciate that. If you got more tips, just leave it in the comments. Thank you. But I do know the way now. Hey, Model 3. Oh, that's creepy. Come on. Dude, that guy cannot park, for real. I need stickers. Can someone make me stickers like learn to park idiot or something? Like, this guy wasn't that bad, but someone blocked me in like last Thursday, and I was pissed, dude. I need one of those stickers, like, for real. It's less fun to drive here than between the cars though, but I'm going too slow. My bike is 21% and it won't go faster than 53 right now, 54. Normally it should go 45 because it's a moped, not a motorcycle, but I have it unlocked right now, so it should go like 70 max. But because the battery is so low, yeah, it just doesn't give as much juice to the motor as when it is fully charged. I also set my suspension looser. If you want me to make a video on how to do that, which I am thinking of making, please comment it down below, because I would love to make tutorial videos like that. Bro, what is this guy doing? So as I said before, like this video if you enjoyed, comment down below if you want me to make more of these. I really enjoyed them. And subscribe if you haven't, it's really appreciated, guys. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.